demonstrating the operation of the CHA Mark 40 E-beam evaporator, tool ID 4483. This operation included in scope the Granville Phillips gauge, the pump and process controller, the cryo pump monitor, the deposition controller, the programmable sweep, the high voltage power supply controller, the crucible indexer, and the dome controller. This does not include the Mark II controller or the heater power supply. As you can see, we're currently at 2 on the 6 scale. It takes approximately 15 minutes to a half hour to get to 6 scale on the chamber. All process interlocks are met. The pump is currently at 10 Kelvin, and all of our interlock lights on our high voltage supply are operational. We currently have the high voltage supply in local mode. We can turn on the high voltage. We get -6 kilovolts. We can turn on the source controller, and we can strike a beam. Cryo compressor. High voltage source. Lab chiller unit. And a live oil dropping pump. There are some issues we found with this tool. One, you can tell the cryo does make a lot of noise. Next, the Crucible 4 select does not operate correctly. 1, 2, and 3 operate just fine. See that the motor comes on. So, one issue that we also found is when turning on the dome controller, you press the button, but you'll see a rise in pressure, indicating that there's some small leak on the feed through for the dome. And finally, there's a small adjustment that needs to be made to the E-beam to make it center onto the target. We were not able to center it with the electronics alone, so some physical adjustment needs to be made to the E-beam in order to center it in the crucible. That concludes the demonstration of the operation of the CHA Mark 40 E-beam evaporator, tool ID 4483.